So here what you're gonna do for get more views on the videos. We get more views on the videos. Share them up, man. Share them up to your family, share them up to your friend, especially on WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp status, click the link where mark share and share it up to your friends and man. Share it up on your Facebook account. Put it on your status on Instagram. Make people know more about the channel. Because we are growing. We are almost at 180,000 subscribers and we appreciate every single person who have ensured so you know put in the support for me to reach us. So we soon but soon we want to start work on something for the big screen. Everything align itself. We don't rush it. We just go through the process and make it happen. Also, one of the things that we have launched recently is the website, richardbrownfilms.com. It's where we are putting some of the content on. Look, I get all of them over there so you can watch them without having to worry about advertisement and so forth. So head on over to the website and click the part where it says sign up free if you know.